Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my second purple video. Do check out my first one, it's in my description box. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about Alps Goodness, NY Bay, Derm Doc, Good Vibes, Vyam Ayurveda, and Purple. Purple is a really good site. It offers many deals and discounts on their products. Its payment process is good and secure. As compared to other online shopping apps, Purple is the best. No errors while ordering the product. Okay, so let's talk about Alps Goodness Rose Water. Tone, hydrate, and make your skin glowing all at once with the power of aromatic roses. Alps Goodness brings for you rose water, a formulation so gentle and soothing that helps in taking the best care of your delicate skin. Infused with the richness of roses, it helps in refreshing and replenishing your skin. Now let's talk about Good Vibes Vitamin C and Vitamin B3 Skin Glow Face Serum. It's water-based silicone-free formula, no parabens, no synthetic perfume, no sulfates and no mineral oils. It's ideal for all skin types, blemishes, clogged pores, dark spots, dullness and uneven skin tone. Now let's talk about Derm Doc Salicylic Acid Anti-Acne Face Wash. Salicylic acid prevents acne-causing bacteria, helps unclog pores, reduces sebum production, reduces acne scarring. Now let's hop into Vyam Ayurveda Haldi and Chandan Soothing Pack. Incorporate the powerful powder of traditionally famous turmeric and sandalwood. Together, it soothes and provides relief from inflammation, and it rejuvenates dull-looking skin. Purple Hydrating Snow Sheet Mask with Coconut Extracts. The moisturizing care of coconut coming right your way. Coconut helps in nourishing the skin and imparts continuous hydration, keeping your skin soft and supple. It also aids in softening and smoothing the skin texture and provides a youthful glow. This sheet mask is made up of biodegradable cellulose. Let's talk about NY Bay Lipping on Broadway Lip Plumper in the shade French Rose Lipping. This high shine rose shade has ingredients which make lips feel conditioned and look instantly fuller and plumper. The benefits are hydrating, moisturizing, non-drying, lightweight and fuller lips. Take a small amount of face wash on palm, gently massage on face, avoid eye area, massage in circular motions and rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Salicylic acid not only reduces the size of existing pimples and blackheads but also helps prevent new ones from forming. Turmeric in the formula has anti-acne, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which helps with skin brightening, improves skin complexion. Sandalwood in the formula is antibacterial in nature and can fight acne-causing bacteria, exfoliates the skin, soothes sunburn, removes suntan and reduce signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. The benefits are moisturizing, skin radiance, skin calming, anti-aging and skin brightening. A soft, powered pack that mixes easily and makes for fuzz-free application. Mix the product with rose water or curd to form a paste. Apply the paste on cleansed face and wait for 10 to 15 minutes till it dries. Rinse with water and pat dry. Concocted with natural ingredients, it makes sure your inner beauty is glorified. It's ideal for dry skin, dehydrated skin, all skin types, dullness and uneven skin tone. And the benefits are moisturizing, hydration, skin soothing and nourishing. Alps Goodness Rose Water imparts a beautiful youthful glow and brings out your natural beauty. The calmness of the Alps mixed with the goodness of rose makes sure your skin is taken care of in every way you use it. And the benefits are tones skin, refreshing and skin soothing. Love dipping your skin in the care of sheet masks? They've got a hydrating surprise for you. Purple Snow Sheet Mask with coconut extracts is nourished with the skin nourishing and hydrating of coconut. It is made up of a special snow patterned appearance that makes your skin feel moisturized for long. It is brimming with high absorbent properties and makes all the skin loving serum reach the maximum area of your skin. It is 100% natural and degradable. It falls extremely soft on the skin and is drenched with a variety of botanical ingredients. Enriched with the moisturizing properties of coconut, it provides your skin with a nourished, hydrated, and healthy look. Unfold and lay over on a cleansed face. Keep the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask and gently pat excess sebum onto your skin. Who doesn't love a self-pamper session at home? That's why Purple brings to you a range of sheet masks with skin-loving ingredients and bursts of splashy goodness. The materials of the masks have been carefully crafted to work well with the ingredients they carry and to adhere seamlessly on the contours of your face. Give your skin an instant pick-me-up. Infused with the skin restoring properties of vitamin B3, this serum improves the appearance of enlarged pores and treats uneven skin tone, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. Also rich in vitamin C, it stimulates collagen production to give you a brighter, youthful complexion. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C helps fight free radicals and damage caused by UV radiation. It's time to bring your lips to notice with NY Bay Lipping on Broadway Lip Plumper. The formula is specially made to keep your lips well defined. And nourished. The balm provides your lips with complete care and enables them to look luscious and healthy. Purple Beauty Carnival is here. Get fabulous with up to 50% discount on 50,000 products across 1,000 plus beauty and skincare brands online. The offer details is in my description box. Don't forget to check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating this.